Hey again, juniors. Here's your screen recording to help you access Naviance and help you find some things in Naviance that might allow you to more tailor-make your CCR experience to what you need for your future plans. The best way to get into Naviance is to use the class link icon on one of the home screens of your iPad. It's the blue cloud. If you tap on that, it will ask you for login information using your school Google account, and then you'll pick Naviance as the app you want to open, and it will bring you to this home screen. When we saw at the beginning of the school year, the top middle feature that says plan your future, you can edit that path anytime you either adjust or find some more clarity around your game plan for life after high school. That'll help tailor the experience to your pathway. Other information talks about reps that are coming to our school, where it says what's new. Representatives from various colleges and military come and visit. Those are open to juniors and during flex, taking place all the time, really. You can start adding colleges you're thinking about or careers that you're interested in. So it starts to create a home screen that is more specific to you as you enter more information. Okay, across the top are all the menus. In a speed round version, here we go. Number 1, the self-discovery menu at the top would open any of 3 interest inventories: Career Cluster Finder, Career Interest Profiler, and a Strengths Explorer. Most 11th graders, when we looked in Naviance, have completed all 3 of these. If you have not yet done so, it's a great starting point to think about career options and opportunities for you and aligning those with your strengths and areas of interest and some of your skills that you have. Second menu item is careers. If you are interested in exploring career possibilities, because that might inform what you want to do after high school, there are a lot of ways to explore different careers in Naviance via direct careers that open up all kinds of information specific to a career that categorize them instead by clusters and pathways. There are military items of information for each of the branches of the military. So there are all kinds of career-specific information items, including a series of videos under the Road Trip Nation where you can listen to and watch folks who are in a wide variety of careers and see what you can learn from that. Next over, it says colleges. This one, if you are interested in colleges, whether it's a 2-year school or a 4-year school, a university, a state college, a private school, tech school, community college, whatever it might be, it houses literally every 2- and 4-year institution in the United States. So it's all in here. And one great way to find out college potential fits or ideas for potential schools is to use the Supermatch College Search. If you missed that, colleges on the left under Find Your Fit, it says Supermatch College Search. It brings you to this database of every school. And across the top, you can choose a variety of fit criteria: location and academics and admission and student life and all of those. And as you enter information, the database gives you matches based on a fit score percentage. So what you're looking for is what is returned in your results in ways that might help you see what schools are a good fit for you, and in a way where you might be exposed to or introduced to some new school options and opportunities. So Supermatch College Search is a great tool to spend some time in if you haven't done so and if college is your pathway. As you can see, there's all kinds of other items on here. The Find Your Fit and the Research Colleges are items that you can use right now for sure. The Apply to College stuff we work on as we move closer to senior year. Same with the scholarships and money section. Lastly, if we go back to our home screen, if you tap on the Planner menu at the top, the bottom item on that menu is called Test Prep. This is a little teaser preview of what is to come in a future CCR session, and that is a Naviance tool that we pay a little extra money for because it is an ACT prep course that has all kinds of practice materials and content information. It takes a while to load because it's a pretty big program. We wanted to introduce it now in case any of you are planning to take the ACT in December before you can take the free one in March. It has, again, in its menu, all kinds of places to explore and look around. So please, students, feel free to take a closer look at what's in Naviance. For those of you who are concerned about going to CCR and not getting what you need, this program is a way to fill in those gaps and to always, anytime, anywhere, find what you need as you try and figure out your future and what path you want to follow. Enjoy taking a look at what it has to offer in the time we have left today. We will continue to come back to it as we move forward. Have a great weekend.